Hi and welcome to the VPN Folio YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get an Egyptian IP address. You will see it's very easy. This is useful if you want to simulate a connection from Egypt, whatever the reason may be. So there is a simple trick to get an IP address in Egypt. First, I invite you to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification button if you enjoy our content. This will mean a lot to us and help us create even more useful content. So, how can you get an Egyptian IP address? As you can see here, my current IP address locates me in France. I'm currently not in Egypt. What I'm going to do now is replace my French IP address with an Egyptian IP address using CyberGhost. CyberGhost is an app that you can install on your computer, smartphone, tablet, or smart TV, and that allows you to change your IP address. Once connected, your real IP address will be hidden, replaced by the IP address of the VPN server. I select Egypt in the list of countries. As you can see, there are plenty of other countries available, including the US, Canada, the UK, Germany, France, Spain, Japan, Russia, and so on. These are all countries from which you can simulate a connection. I click here. It's connecting. It only takes a few seconds. Done. I'm now connected to the internet virtually from Egypt. Here is my new IP address. Let's refresh this page. And as you can see, my IP address has been replaced by the IP address of the VPN server located in Egypt. As you saw, it's very easy. You just need to select Egypt in CyberGhost, click a button, and that's it. I showed you how to do it from a computer, but it's the same principle if you're on a smartphone or tablet. The iOS and Android apps are quite similar to this one. CyberGhost even works on smart TV. I personally use it on Android TV. As you saw, to get an Egyptian IP address, you need CyberGhost. To sign up, visit vpnfolio.com/cyber or click on the link located in the description under this video. CyberGhost is one of the best VPNs with over 7,600 servers in 91 countries. It's a safe, reliable and fast VPN, available on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android and so on. Great speeds, no bandwidth limits, a zero-log policy, very effective to bypass geographic restrictions, to watch Egyptians' TV channels online for example. CyberGhost is not free, it's a paid VPN, but costs only a few dollars per month. With our link, you will take advantage of an 83% discount and 3 months free. To summarize, the idea is to use CyberGhost to simulate a connection from Egypt by replacing your IP address with an Egyptian IP address. All you need to do is to select Egypt in the list of countries and press this button. That's it. It is that simple. Please note that CyberGhost offers a 45-day money-back guarantee, which is more than most other VPN providers. That said, I highly recommend that you keep your subscription, as CyberGhost comes with many other benefits. To watch any TV channel from anywhere in the world, access foreign Netflix catalogs to get access to more movies and TV shows, browse and download anonymously, protect your privacy, bypass censorship, buy cheaper plane tickets and video games, and more. Don't even think about free VPNs. None of them will allow you to get an Egyptian IP address. Free VPNs are also insecure, slow, and don't provide good streaming quality. They don't offer unlimited bandwidth either. Best to forget about them. This is why I recommend using CyberGhost, which is by far the easiest and most effective way to get an Egyptian IP address. Remember, with our link, you will take advantage of an 83% discount and 3 months free, as well as a 45-day money-back guarantee, so it's absolutely risk-free for you. Alright, that's all for today. Now you know how to get an Egyptian IP address, no matter where you are in the world. As you saw, it's very easy. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them below, and I will answer them as soon as possible. If you like this video, if you found it useful, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification button. Thanks, and see you next time.